Hi, welcome to my channel about robotics, embedded systems and fysiotechniek. If you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail on the bottom right corner. As you can see, the focus of this video is the Raspberry Pi 1 Model B+, in combination with Raspberry Pi camera, and of course I want to use the GPIO right here. Last time I tried to get some packages needed for the use of GPIO, and if possible also for the Raspberry Pi camera, to get into C#, but I didn't manage, and with my other project on the Raspberry Pi 2 I did find a package that could work, so I'm going to do another attempt to it. So in order to show, I will switch to screencast and show every software piece that I can share. Like I said, screencast. Now with also the band cable, which is supposed to connect to this breadboard with this fysiotechniek LED. But that's to come, hopefully. Let me shift this a bit down. Alright, now I've had to mount my file server in order to get this working, which it is. So I'm working from here, and the idea is that I want to use this system device GPIO, but it isn't. So I need a package, and the official NuGet package that carry this GPIO. And with the Raspberry Pi 2 I found another package, which is this one, which I hope will work with the and I should get, okay, now it's there. This file has line endings which differ from policy settings. Convert, yes. Now it should be alright, I hope so. So going back here, core, runtime and Windows devices, not system devices. That is the big difference. And that is also the reason why I got errors in on the Raspberry Pi 2. So I don't need Windows devices, I need system devices. Back to square one then. Although I could try, but Windows is not Linux, not even by a long shot. Yeah, back to square one. Searching a little bit further, I find indeed systems device GPIO from Nano Framework, and I also find this one. So first let me try if it compiles using system device GPIO from Nano Framework. Build. One error. No kidding. I need to have a debug window. Yeah, watch. But there's nothing here. One error and I don't see which one. Okay. error. Because with code 1, yes, but why does it code? Unclear. Why does it have that error with this one? Probably because it's designed for Windows anyway. I have to find out. And this is likely to be interesting as well. Alright, I have not been able to find the error, the reason for error for Nano Framework. So I have instead started using HG Raspberry Pi IO general purpose with these commands and these well, instructions. Not compiled yet. Let's do that. Or maybe let's just build it. Hopefully it does what it should do. And in the meantime, let me... Okay, that is not going entirely as I expected. But in the meantime, I have something else to show, which is this. So I now actually connect the band cable to the GPIO, and then with two wires connected to this visiting LED. But back to this, which is not entirely... Alright. Apparently something I did wrong. Let me check. And right now I find something very interesting. Build is successful. And why? Because I removed the other packages of Nano package which I did not use. So with a build successful, does it run successfully? Let me first do it here. Key to continue. Okay, so now I actually do have to go here. Oh, of course, minimize this one so I can watch here if something happens. Although it will be a very short one. That let me move the camera a little bit. This will be probably a very short one. I can of course sleep off that much. Let me make it 1 second. Build. Okay. So now and I did not see anything. The wiring is still in there as far as I can tell, but I did not see anything happen actually. Let me check. And it isn't very much, it isn't easier when wiring comes out. Yep. Okay, I have to redo the wiring, unfortunately. Okay, rewiring done, which means that I have connected the band cable to this connector for power and for ground. Pin 11 going here, and this is connected to the ground. So now everything should work. Didn't test yet. So yeah, let's one more time run. Unheld exception. Yeah, I'm not too happy with this, but let's just run this one. And I don't see anything happen. So that can indicate that this is not as I expect it to be. So which pin 11 then is it? Let me check. Alright, so I have this specific error which is about the GPIO connection. However, this is running on my laptop, not on the Raspberry Pi. So if I forget this and I go here, I have now changed the wire, this one, to pin 23, which is GPIO 11, not pin 11. However, when running this, it is not doing anything that I can see. And I changed the voltage to 5 volts, and while this is actually a 9 volts LED, so perhaps I should change the LED to something smaller. And yet another attempt. So what I want to try is having 2 wires from the connector to the circuit, and to indicate in fritzing pin 11, although it says GPIO 18, but it is pin 11, and pin 23, which is, oh wait, I probably should fix this one. Anyway, let me keep it this way for now. Pin 11 and GPIO 11, which is not correct right now here. But in this way, I hope to be sure that things are actually working. Either one or the other. So let's go, see whatever happens. And nothing happens. So either the LED is not functional, which is another possibility, or my thinking is wrong. Let's try just another LED then. Okay, because it's not working the way I like, I have added console write line I, so I should see in the console whichever happens. Build is successful, but running is yet again another story. And when I go here, and mind you, this is actually the coder, the same coder, it shows nothing. So what I'm also going to try is change this, see if this is actually going to work out. It says build successful. So run with, it's showing nothing. So if I get here exactly the same thing, exactly, so it has no effect. This is simply not running. Question is why it is not running. So let's just run it. It says somewhere in 12 build C. Now it so that's not the problem apparently. Question is then, where is it? Okay, unfortunately this error that I found through the debugging mode, I can't solve it. I'm not the first one to encounter it, obviously, but not for the first time. It shows that an example that I find on the internet, and then now especially with respect to this package and belonging commands, is supposed to work, but it doesn't for me. As a result, it for some reason does build, but it doesn't run, and that's very annoying, to say the least. So what to do about it, I'm not quite sure. I had hoped to show a functioning LED. That is, why do I get now an external console here? Alright, stop it. Anyway, this LED here, very tiny, but it is hopefully a functioning one. But this is not going anywhere. Oops. This one. So how to continue? I can't tell, unfortunately, yet. Maybe next time. So with these results I say thank you for watching. Unfortunately not solved. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and please support via either PayPal, Ko-fi.com, or becoming a patron from $2 or €2 a month and more. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.